Don't let another day slip by and not maximize your investments. Make your money work for you. Take control of your career and compensation right now. It's your 5-minute career hack. No, it's not open enrollment yet, but time is the most important factor when it comes to investing. So this week, I'm going to give you the bare minimum you need to know about 401ks so that you don't lose precious time waiting for open enrollment at the end of the year. You want to ask the right questions, do the right research, and make the right decisions for yourself. Having your 401k working for you, making money for you, is one of the best ways to get ready for a pivot at all times in your career, or if it's time for you to pivot and change companies. Let's get into it. And don't forget to pause. You can stop, take notes, rewind, do whatever you need to do throughout this episode. And a quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with the 5-minute career hack. Do your own due diligence and seek professional advice if you deem necessary before making financial decisions. Let's hack. What is a 401k retirement plan? A 401k retirement plan is a tax-advantaged investment account offered by employers to help employees save for retirement. Very simple. How does a 401k work? You contribute a portion of your pre-tax income to a 401k account, and the funds grow tax-deferred until withdrawal during retirement. What are the contribution limits for a 401k? As of 2023, it's $22,500, subject to cost of living, and you can go straight to the irs.gov website because it often changes every year. Can I contribute to a 401k and an IRA simultaneously?
Imagine a world where recruiters come knocking at your virtual door, eager to hire you for your dream job. This can be you with 5-Minute Career Hacks exclusive LinkedIn hacking package. Over 90% of recruiters rely on this platform to make hiring decisions. And guess what else? 75% of people hired last year were discovered right here on LinkedIn. But we get it. You're busy, overwhelmed, and just struggling to find the time to optimize your profile. Let us do the work for you. For a limited time only, sign up today and we can help you break through your career on LinkedIn.
Yes, you can contribute to both the 401k and an IRA, but contribution limits apply separately for each account. Employers can match your contributions. They often do so to a certain percentage or a dollar amount. How does vesting work in a 401k? Vesting refers to the gradual ownership of the employer contributed funds. You become fully vested in those funds after a certain number of years with most companies. Some companies, you are automatically vested with the percentage that they put forth, but that's a question you need to ask. Can I withdraw money from my 401k before retirement? Yes, but you may be subject to early withdrawal penalties and income taxes unless you qualify for certain exceptions. When can I start withdrawing from my 401k penalty-free? You can start penalty-free withdrawals at age 59 and a half. Before that age, early withdrawals come with penalties. The 401k is the registration with the government. It's not the actual investment. For example, you could just have all cash and not invest the money into anything, and the government would still give you the same tax advantages, which is tax deferred, on the money that you contribute. Can I contribute to a 401k if I'm self-employed? Yes, you absolutely can do a solo 401k if you're self-employed and meet certain requirements. What are required minimum distributions, RMDs? Those are the minimum amounts you must withdraw from your 401k after reaching the age of 72 to avoid penalties. What happens to my 401k account if I pass away? Your assets are typically passed to your designated beneficiaries, your estate, but they're also subject to tax rules. Are there tax benefits to contributing to a 401k? Yes, contributing to a traditional 401k lowers your taxable income, while the Roth 401k contribution provides tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Can I make catch-up contributions if I'm close to retirement age? Yes, you can. Individuals aged 50 and older can make catch-up contributions to boost their retirement savings. These are some of the basic things you need to know about 401ks and start asking questions on. Go to irs.gov to learn more about 401ks and other retirement registrations available to you. Don't let another day slip by and not maximize your investments. Make your money work for you. I love you.
Now, the 5-minute career hack, we call this hacking. Look at you. You just did it. And you don't have to stop here. Take one step every week and ensure that you are pouring into you and getting closer to your career goals. Yep, you see that button down there? Hit subscribe, but don't stop there, because you know what they say, sharing is caring. So take 5 and we'll see you next week.